those who have done the paper, who already gave the exam for this chapter, no need to attempt it. But others who are yet to come for this term or any exam, you have to appear for the test. Okay.
Ma'am, like for which chapter?
Sorry, exponent part.
Okay, so if you have already done the test for it, then no need to attend it, right?
Yes. Yes, Sindhu.
Ma'am, I understand the lesson.
You didn't understand the lesson.
Yes.
Okay, so we will conduct an extra class on Friday and then we can discuss. Okay.
So
those who
Friday.
Yeah, Friday
So I
morning,
should.
like around 1 or 2.
So I
that-
should accept this test, right?
Yeah. Okay, so let's just start, students. Okay, so coming to simple equation. I hope you people can see my screen.
Yes,
No?
ma'am.
Okay, so simple equation. So first of all, whenever you are reading about the simple equation chapter, equation itself says that it will include the equals to sign, right? So over here, whenever there is an equation, right? For example, I wrote this 10y. I think I've already done this. If I'm not wrong, I don't know. So do you know what is this 2? I don't remember whether I did it here or okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
a constant number?
Something like that, ma'am. S will be minus.
This is a constant number, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a variable. I have done this in your class. No?
I don't know.
Ma'am,
I
you
learned it.
studied
I learned
this
algebraic
algebra.
expressions, so I knew it.
Yeah, because the
You
same
explained
chapter I will be
one
doing
time,
in the other
etc.
batches, so I don't remember. So yeah, let's just start from the basic then. Okay. So remember one thing, whenever there is a X, Y, Z, any alphabet is there, they all are variable. Okay. And if you get any number, for example, 3, 4, 2, they are termed that constant. Okay. But for example, if a number is with a variable, then this number will be the coefficient of the particular variable. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So this is
What's
what you have to remember.
What did you just say?
This is coefficient, right? So over here, see, for example, this question, 2x plus 3. Okay, in this is a variable, right? This one is a single number. So that's why this number is constant.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, like this chapter is already over. Like when we had algebraic expressions, we had to find like the coefficient. How many
Yes.
coefficients are there? I mean, how many
Yes, ma'am.
constants are there? So
Yes.
like, do we say 2 or 1? I mean, like, does it count as 2 or 1?
The constant.
Yes, ma'am. In this equation, I mean, in this thing.
Over here, there are two constants. One is 2, one is 3.
Ma'am, but it's like if x is there,
If they
still
ask
it'll
you
be
for the
counted as.
coefficient of x, right? There is only one coefficient, which is 2.
Ma'am, I didn't get it. Can you explain again?
See, over here, for example, if they ask you for the coefficient of x, right? They will mention
Yes.
it. They will not say coefficient only. They will mention the variable, right?
Okay, ma'am.
So over here, coefficient is going to be 1, right? So this is what you have to remember.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, coefficient would be 2, right?
Ma'am, isn't it constant?
Which one? The 2?
No, ma'am. You said coefficient of x, right? But like it's constant of x, right?
No, it is coefficient of x. Sometimes the term says constant as well because that's a constant number as well. But always we say coefficient of x.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So there are two terms which you can use. You can use constant of x as well, or you can use the coefficient of x as well. Both are the same thing.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Right. So this is what basically, I hope everybody is clear with this term, right? Variable, constant, and coefficient, right? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So you people will quickly note it up, like you will write this and then you will mark it. 3 is constant, x is variable, and coefficient is this. You will mention coefficient of x, or slash you can write constant of x. Okay.
Ma'am, we wrote the half word of coefficient.
It's a short form basically. COE double F and put a dot. Yeah. Okay. For example, for number we write it like this now. So for coefficient, instead of writing the entire, you can write COE double F and dot. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Everyone is done or anyone who is left?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Abu Bakr, you are also done? Sorry, Abdullah. Sorry.
Yes,
Actually, I have a same. So in the 7th batch itself, I have Abu Bakr. So I get confused. Okay. Okay. Now, in this simple equation, basically, algebraic expression was very much easy, right? But in this simple equation, you have to form the equation itself. So sometimes it become difficult because sometimes our brain don't work and feel like what to do and what not to write, right? So over here we will be doing some questions, right? So see, the sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32, right? So what they are saying the sum of 3 times x, right? So what is this? 3 times x. So it will be 3x, yes or no? Right? 3 times x means what? 3x,
Yes,
right?
ma'am,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
it's basically 3x plus 11 equals 32.
Yes. So first of all, one by one you will write. First you will write 3 times x is 3x. Then 11, right? So what they are saying sum of. Sum of means you have to add two numbers. One will be 3x, right? And one will be 11. And what they are giving you, the sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. So 32. So this is what they made. 3x plus 11 equals to 32. So this is your simple equation. Clear?
Ma'am, can you just explain it again?
Okay. So the question says, read the question. The question is saying you have to make an equation. Okay. So they are saying the sum of means you have to add two numbers. Okay. But you don't know what numbers you have to add. So sum of what? Sum of 3 times x, right? So sum of 3 times x is 3x plus 11. What it will give? It will give 32. So you wrote 3x plus 11 equals to 32. Clear?
Ma'am,
Yes,
it is just saying. It is like just saying.
Yeah,
It's
just
not
saying.
the
Whatever
correct.
they are saying, you have, like whatever I am telling you, you have to write it down. That's it. Over here, they have given you a statement. You have to make it a numerical term. That's it. Clear?
Okay.
Everyone?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now what you are going to do, I have already given you the first one where here is the answer. Now you will try the second, third and fourth and one by one we will discuss. Okay. Now remember
Okay.
one thing. Whenever they have written the word from, right? 2 is subtracted from 3. Listen to it very carefully. For example, 2 subtracted from 3. So that means 3 minus 2. Clear? Because 2,
Yes, ma'am.
you are subtracting 2 from 3. Clear? 3 is already here and you are subtracting 2
Yes,
from
ma'am.
that. Okay? So be careful over there. So this is the first question over here. I have already solved it. You have to solve it like this, right? And then second, third and fourth, you will form the own equation and you will tell me the answer. Okay?
Mom, I'm done.
Like the third question is like it is as 1/3 of a number plus 5 is 8. They are telling that the answer is 8.
This one, 1/3 of a number
Yeah.
plus 5.
Is 8. So it is telling that the 8 is the answer.
Yes.
Mom, done.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, everyone is done. Abdullah, you are also done.
I'm doing the last one.
Okay, do it.
Done now.
Okay. So now let's just discuss it one by one. The question say if you subtract 5 from 6 times a number, 6 times a number can be 6x, right? If you subtract 5, right? So 6x 5 minus, you will get 7. I hope it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
everyone.
We can took any variable, right?
You can take any variable, 6z, 6m, whatever you want. And I just took x.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next one is 1/4 of m is 3 more than 5.
So
How
1
will you
by
write it?
4, 1 by 4 m equals 3 plus 7.
Okay. Wait a minute. 1/4 of m. So 1/4 of m, right? Is
Equals 3 plus 7.
is
which is
3 more
equals-
than 7.
So 7 plus
So how will you write it? Tell me.
I'm 7 plus 3.
Minus 7 equals to 3.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
read the
it's a
minus.
1/4 of 4 m.
1/4 of m will become this. Yes. Is 3 more. Right? See, 1/4 of m is 3. More than 7. So, how will you frame it? See, 1/4 of m became 1/4, right?
Yes.
Yes. See, listen to it very carefully because this is quite confusing. 1/4 of m is 3. So, you got to know that it is 3. Equals to will be 3 because it is 3. Right? More than 7. Right? So, it is more than 7. So, of course, you will subtract it. Only then you will get this, now.
Yes.
Yes?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Hmm.
Ma'am, they said 1/4, right? So it'll be 1 by 4, right?
1 by 4 of m. So, when you will multiply this, will not it be m upon 4?
Okay,
Yes.
this one I get it.
Right? Clear? I hope everybody is clear now, right?
Ma'am, just a
Okay.
second. Ma'am, why did we subtract 7 again?
Because they have given is 3 more than 7. Okay? This 3 is more than 7. So, if you will subtract 7 from here, it will become equal to this. Basically, what they are trying to say, for example, this is an apple. It is equals to this. Okay? But this
Yes,
one
ma'am.
is basically 7 more. Right? So, that means these two are equal. So, 7 is already more. So, if you will subtract 7 from here, it will become equal to this. Right?
Yes,
Have you
ma'am.
ever
Ma'am,
seen a
so when
question
we
like this? Like m upon 4 equals to 3 minus 7? No, na? Every time we see it like this. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
That's-
so if we when we're solving it basically, so it'll be m by 4 equals 3 plus 7, right? Because
No,
when we
you
take
cannot
the
write it like this. Na? Others, it will be like 3 plus 7, you can add. But over here, according to the question, you have to make it. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If you will write it 3 plus 7, see, automatically what will happen? This m upon 4 equals to 3 plus 7, it will be, na? Because it is in subtraction, it will go in addition. Right? Automatically, it will become this 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? But this is not the question. The question is represented. Whatever is written over here, you cannot solve it further. Others, you would have done it here as well. 32 minus 11 like this. But whatever, in whatever terms it is written here, you have to represent in the answer. That's why you cannot write it like this. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Like if we write
Hmm.
1 by 4m
Hmm.
minus, no, like for the fifth question,
Hmm.
I mean, no, for the fourth question,
Hmm.
if we write 1 by 3x
Hmm.
plus 5 equals 8, that can
Hmm.
also be correct, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. For the next one now, 1/3 of a number, 1/3, it can be 1 upon 3x, right? Of a number is, of a number plus 5. You have to add 5 equals to 8. Clear? So it's your choice how you want to write. You can write it like this as well. Or you can write it like this. You can take any number. I have taken x because over here they have given any number. So I've taken x. You can take m, n, z, whatever you feel like. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So everyone will write down the answers. Okay.
Done.
Those who haven't done, quickly do it and then we will move to the
I'm
next.
also done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done? Okay. Now coming to the next question. This one. Convert the following equation into statement. So earlier what you were doing, you were converting the statement into equation. But now this equation is given, you have to convert it into statement. Try it, everyone. Because I want you to try it. Only then when you will do the mistake, you will know the value of correction. Right? So do it on your own. You already know what the people did in the first one, right? So here it's your
Yes.
choice. Whatever statement you want to give it. Then I'll say, check what you wrote and then we will correct it. Okay?
So, ma'am, for the example 2, right?
Yes. Example number 2.
Ma'am,
Right.
I have to write statements for that?
Sorry.
I have to write
Right, you have to
statements.
write statement. This is given. So you have to write statement. I
In
can
the
give you a hint. I can give you a hint. So you can write it. Taking 5, subtracting 5 from any number gives 9. Or any, see,
Okay.
no, any statement is not correct. See, you can write it like taking away 5 from any number is 9. Right? Or you can write
Yes, ma'am.
whatever you want to write, you can write it in your own language. But yeah, it should be a correct statement. Not like, it's not like you are writing anything. You are writing, we get 9. You cannot write it like this. You have to form the proper statements.
Okay, ma'am.
Done.
Abdullah, you are done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. We'll just wait for others.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Ma'am, I have a question. Ma'am,
Tell me.
like suppose if the question is
Hmm.
8 8x is equal to 25.
Hmm.
So like and we write the statement like this. 8x more than 25. We can write like that,
It
ma'am.
is more than 25 like that. The
Done,
question
ma'am.
is what you want. Can you please repeat the question?
I said like 8x is equal to 25. So we can write 8x is more than 25.
No.
Okay.
You can simply
Should we like
you can simply write it like this. When this. Yeah.
ma'am, you said something?
Yes, I told you that you can write it like this. Then the multiple of 8 with a number gives you 25. Right?
Ma'am, and I also have a question. This x is a variable, right? So we can write, suppose the question is s is by 5. So we can write by 6, s by 6. So we can write that uh, like s is a variable of like 5.
You can
I
write
mean
1
5
upon
is
y of s,
okay.
right? Okay, don't worry. When we will solve this question, your all the doubts will be clarified. Okay. Okay, girls, are you done? Should we discuss the answers?
Yeah.
No?
Think so, everybody is not done.
Who is not done? Okay, I think you are getting
No,
confused.
everyone
Let me
is
discuss
done.
the answer. Right? Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay, so over here for the first one, I will be giving you the alternate solution as well. It's not like the fixed solutions. Okay, you can write it like this. Taking away 5 from x gives you 9. Or you can write it like this. Taking away 5 from any numbers gives you 9. Okay, but as they have given you x, so you can mention
Ma'am,
x. Yes,
can we write like subtracting?
yes,
Can we add subtract?
yes.
Okay.
Subtracting 5 from x gives you 9. Right? Here, 5
Okay.
times of p is 20. Okay, or multiply.
ma'am,
Yes,
the third one can be write like uh the sum of 3 times
Mhm.
n and it's one more than
Yes,
7.
you can write it like this. Sum of 3 times n and 7 is 1. Okay, or you can write adding 7 to, yes, it's your choice. Sum of 3 times n plus 3 times n and 7 is 1. Or you can write adding 7 to 3 times n is 1. Okay, or you get 1. And here you can write subtracting minus 2 from 1/5 m gives you 6. Okay, clear? Everyone?
Yes,
So
ma'am. Clear.
1/5 and 6 more than minus.
Yes, you can write subtracting 2 from 1/5 of m gives you 6. Okay,
Ma'am, actually, you wrote kind of like different, but
yeah, tell me what you have written. I'll tell you
ma'am,
whether it,
ma'am, for the second one, I wrote multiplying 5 and p gives us 20.
yes, fine.
And the third one, I wrote multiplying 3 and n, then adding 7 to the
No,
product
instead of
gives
writing
us 1.
multiplying, no, you will write 3 times of n. Because
Okay.
over here, yeah, 3 times of n. See, you will write it like this, adding 7 to 3 times of n, right?
I
Or
wrote
adding
adding
3 times
7 to the
n.
product.
Yeah, you can write it like this. Adding 3 times n and 7 gives you 1. Or you can write adding 7 to 3 times n gives you 1. Okay?
Okay.
Hmm.
Ma'am, and for the fourth one, I wrote dividing m by 5, then subtracting
No, you cannot
2.
write m by 5 because it is 1/5 of m. I told you, na, from where this m upon 5 came. So it is basically 1/5 of m, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I hope everyone is clear, right? So now this one, you people will try this example number 3. Okay, then we will do the next question.
Done, ma'am.
Mom, I'm done.
Done.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So who will tell me the answer? The equation? Anyone? Anyone of you can tell?
Ma'am, it's 3L plus 5 is equal to 40.
What about others?
Ma'am, can you just
Yes,
explain it?
Okay.
Mom,
Anyone who wants to try?
I wrote 3x plus 5 plus 44 instead of equals 44.
Okay.
yes, miss.
Okay. Okay, so those who did it like the other way, see. Raju father age is 5 years more than 3 times of Raju. Right? Raju father is 44 years. Set up an equation to find Raju's age. Right? So over here it is given Raju's, you don't know the age of Raju. Okay. So let's just take Raju's age be X. Raju's father age is 5 more than 3 times X. So Raju's father age is 5. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. 5 years more than 3 times of Raju. So 3x plus 5 equals to 44. This is Raju's father age.
Ma'am,
Right?
the X is like we can still use any, right?
Yeah, you can do any number, right? So this is what? So from here, will you find the value of Raju age? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, I'm just doing it again in case anyone is facing difficulty. So what is the age of Raju? Raju age you don't know, so you took it X. Then it is said that Raju father age is 5 years more. So 5 years more means plus 5. 3 times of Raju age. Raju age is X, so 3x plus 5. And what is the Raju age? It is 44. Right? Done. So this is your equation. From here, you will find the value of X. But you don't have to write it anything. You have to only write the equation. So you will write it like this. Right? So whenever these type of questions comes, you will write it like this. Let's take the, Raju's age equals to X. And then this one. Clear? Therefore, this. You can quickly note it up, then we will move to the next question.
Done.
Mom, we don't need to find the answer, right?
No, they have only asked you to set up the equation.
Okay. Mom, I'm done.
Okay, everyone done? Should we move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Coming to example number 4, read it in a good way and then answer, make the equation. Okay.
Done, miss.
Mom, I think I'm done.
Okay, so I hope everyone is done. We should discuss the answer. Yes? No? We should not discuss the answer, or we should wait.
Ma'am, I did like 8x plus 4 is equal to 100.
Okay, very good. What about others?
Mom, I did 100 equals 8x plus 4.
Have you ever seen any
Same, ma'am.
equation like this?
However.
Huh? You just reverse it.
Oh,
Okay.
Ma'am, I did 100 is 100
Mom, but it's
100
basically
and
correct
plus
though, right?
Yeah, it is correct, but the right way to write the equation is the other way. Okay? Okay, so
Mom,
okay,
but
okay, okay.
sometimes,
Hmm?
some equations are like that, right? In like the
Yeah,
reverse
but
form.
that are given. When you will form it, you will form in a correct way.
Okay, Mom.
Yeah, they can give anything, right? But when you are forming it, you will make it in a good sense. Okay? Okay, so
Okay.
now let's just understand this question. The question says a shopkeeper sells mango in two types of boxes. Ouch. Sorry. One is the small box and one is the large box. Okay. The large box contain as many as 8 small boxes. So inside they have 8 small boxes. Okay. So let's just say 4, then 4 over here, right? So I'm just making it small box and the large box. In this they have 8 small box. Okay. Plus 4 loose mangoes. Plus 4 mangoes. Okay. Set up an equation which gives the number of mangoes in each small box. The number of mangoes in the large box is given to be 100. Okay. So let's just know. So over here, you don't know the number, total number, right? So let a small box, box mangoes be X. Okay. So over here, right? So in a large one, right? It is 8M. Why? Because you don't know how many are there in one box, right? Plus there are 4 loose mangoes. And in total in the large one, there are 400, it's 100. So this is your equation. Yes?
Yes, Mom.
Got the point? See, the question was, this was a large box. Inside this large box, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right? They have 8 boxes over here. Right? Getting the point? Right?
Yes, Mom.
Yes.
Okay, wait. Let me just make it again. Okay. This is a large box over here. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 loose. Right? So over here in the small, in this one, in these boxes, you never know how many mangoes are there. So you took it X, 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 X. Right? So how many X? 8X. Or you can take it 8M or 8X. Right? They were mango. That's why I wrote M. Right? 8X plus there are 4 loose one. Right? So 8X plus 4. And how many in total are there? There are 100. So this is your equation. Clear?
Yes.
Everyone, is it clear?
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
anyone who is having any doubt? Vegas, Sindhus?
No, ma'am.
Clear? Sindhus? Okay, so you will quickly note it down, then I'll end up this class.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, everyone is done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I just wanted to know, student, one thing. You people are in 7th standard, so I just wanted to know, like, when you have your final exams.
Ma'am, I don't